Let's get it.
In this episode of Cop Cam Max, police pursue a driver for a simple speeding violation. But the woman behind the wheel, who may have some anger management issues, insists the officer has no right to ticket her because she parked before he activated his lights. Then things get even stranger when she accuses the officer himself of committing a traffic violation.
Hello?
I'm on the phone with your police department right now. You can't pull me over when my car's off.
Yeah, I can, because I got you speeding before you were stopped, so.
You should have had your lights on. You can't have your lights on and pull me over after.
Yeah, there's already lights on. They usually turn it on just right away, or they could just follow you for a second and then turn their lights on. Especially if they saw you do something illegal, or they just need to pull you over. That's pretty much it.
Over after. You have a cop right here trying to pull me over with my car's off and I've been parked out parking in front. That's illegal and you can't do that. I don't feel comfortable.
He can. Somebody can call a disturbance, but he can. Or at least, if it's not a disturbance, they can say this lady has been on the parking lot for some time, and so on and so forth.
Comfortable? I don't feel safe and I want him away from my car.
9989. Do you mind coming to my stop?
That's him talking. That's your little friend. Go get him. Go get his sergeant. I want his sergeant here now.
He's on his way.
I didn't know that I'm parked and I've been in a parking spot and some fucking guy thought that he could do something here. Pathetic fucking shit. When the is he gonna get here? Wow, yeah. Oh shit. When the is he getting here? Damn, what is this ETA? I got some white privilege signing some fucking light in my fucking window.
One of those
trigger happy shit-faced friends down the street, huh? I can't even know what I fucking want to do now, you fucking idiot!
Negative. I'm waiting for my sergeant, another unit. She's irate.
Yeah, why don't they hurry the fuck up now?
She is. What's wrong with her?
I'm getting harassed by a police officer illegally and I feel unsafe and I want to get you away from me.
Oh God.
Yeah. When they get there. Yeah.
Could you imagine you're calling the cops on the cop? That's and it's on body cam too, so my God. This lady is using 911 for like nothing. That's like she's wasting time for other people that really needs help. That's the thing.
Oh no, I can call 911 if it's a fucking emergency. Do you know what the fuck that means? Yeah, this is a fucking emergency.
Jeez.
Your fucking shit-faced pig won't leave me the fuck alone!
Whoa.
I literally walked up to the car. She's irate. I got her 57 down Butterfield, and she pulled in here and turned the car off. And as I walked up, she was just losing her mind. So
okay, is she by herself?
Yeah.
Actually, you had really no conversation with her yet?
Nope. She literally has just been yelling and calling 911, so I called you right away.
Okay. How you doing? I'm the sergeant you requested.
Yeah.
How can I help you?
What the fuck is going on?
Okay. Well, from my understanding is you were traveling 57 in a 40-mile-an-hour zone, and that was the reason for the stop.
I'm getting a fucking parking spot.
No, that's not.
That's
You
it.
sure about that?
Yeah.
So he didn't.
I was in the parking spot before that fucking turned his fucking lights on.
That's not
You
gonna
might
go
have
well for her.
parked, and then he conducted the traffic stop. That can't
It's not
happen.
gonna go well for
I've
her.
been parked for a good minute. Can't fucking do that.
Sure he can.
No, the fuck he can't.
Okay.
This is fucking video.
I don't need to pull his video right now.
Fucking video.
Ma'am, I don't need to pull his video right now.
You're gonna believe the fucking word against mine?
I am, yeah.
I don't fucking think so.
Okay, well, here's what's gonna happen then. All right?
Didn't blur that
We'll
word
write the
out.
citation, and then you can take it to court. Yep, that's what's gonna happen. Okay, I understand that you might not feel that's right.
No, you don't. You want to fucking die
you screaming at me is not gonna solve anything right now.
Yeah. It's really not gonna solve anything, and she's not gonna get away from the issue. You're not. I mean, I've seen it multiple times. They're not gonna get away with it. Just act calm, collective, and just give the information that they need. And you can just be let go with the ticket, or just be go and be left free, saying that yeah, you can't park here. You need to, stay clear from this premises. You're trespassed or whatever, etc., etc. This lady's doing way too much from the beginning.
Are you threatening me now? You want to be arrested? Are you okay? What's You're just breaking your own stuff. Why did you pull in here when my officer lit you up?
Just don't stand behind the car in case she decides to back out.
Oh, I don't believe that.
Oh, you want to rescue standby?
No, fine right now.
Okay.
Okay. There's no need to call 911 again.
Get the f away from my car!
Okay, as soon as I have the identification, we'll write your citation. We'll be out of here.
Just calling 911 again.
Why don't you go fucking fetch it, you fucking dog?
Thank you. Do you recognize this person? Yeah, I've dealt with her before.
You can just disconnect with her. We're here.
I really need to know
If you want to. I mean, she's just
how
gonna
he
keep
dealt
yelling
with
at you.
her.
I mean, we could do disorderly conduct.
Fucking arrest!
There's your citation and your ID badge. Through the window. There's your citation for speed.
Yeah, are you fucking dog? Can you get the fuck out now? Get the fuck out now! Get the fuck now! Nobody needs this place. Shut the fuck up and leave! Get retard! Get the fuck out!
Dang.
After slipping the speeding ticket through her cracked window, the officers figured they were done with her for the night. But as they pulled away, the woman took issue with the sergeant's driving and decided to follow him all the way to the police station.
No
During the 5-minute
way.
drive, she's had
Why?
an opportunity to calm herself down.
So I have to follow every fucking law, but that fucking faggot can leave the fucking scene without a turn signal?
What?
Give him a ticket!
Do you need an ambulance?
He doesn't have a turn signal! Give him a ticket!
She
You
had
need to
her
go to-
window wipers on.
I get a ticket! He can do whatever he wants!
Okay.
Give him a ticket!
Okay.
She looks like
Can I
she's
help you with
on
anything else?
over.
Give him a ticket!
Looks like she's crying or like.
Fucking come on!
It's not gonna happen. Anything else we can help
Has
you
she
with
ever
today?
been told no?
Give him a ticket!
Alright, it's not gonna happen.
What the f does he get to do whatever the fuck he wants for?
I just want to know, are you okay?
Give him a ticket! Fucking dumbass! Why the fuck doesn't he get a ticket?
Ma'am, I can help you talk to somebody.
He didn't use his turn signal!
Ma'am, can I please call you an ambulance?
Give him a ticket!
Do you have any thoughts of harming yourself?
I don't know, and if I'm being honest, I could hear a guitar riff here and now and then. That's crazy. She could just be a metal singer, but she took this route.
Give him a ticket! Where the fuck is he?
Who are you calling?
Shut the fuck up.
Okay. If you keep calling 911, you could find out. It's not.
Are you kidding? Alright! People are breaking the law!
What's up? Line again?
So what the fuck is being recorded for? You need to do what the fuck I say now!
You can hang up now. What?
Jayla, you are in an emotional state. I can't talk with you.
All of you stupid, fat, fucking white privileged motherfuckers is costing me money! And you do whatever the fuck you want! I wish I was a cop so I could shoot all of you! The fuck up! And get a
Yeah, you go to jail for capital murder. And it really depends on how many cops you do that. You will go to jail for life. I'm not gonna say anything.
pat on the back for it! You stupid!
Okay.
I can't take it, and then fucking make it take it.
I got my coffee right here. Hold on.
She rode me the entire way from that stop back.
She keeps calling 911. We'll use that as an avenue, just like
What?
the other night.
I'm
just
taking
to get her out of the
bitch.
car. She'll go to the hospital.
She threatened to run us over. She threatened to shoot us.
I just don't want to fight with her in the car with her running. So if we can get her out,
Stab me.
if we can get her out, if she can get out on her own, if we can get her out somehow. Thanks. Would you like to talk to him?
Yeah, I fucking would! Get the fuck over here now!
Well, he's not going to come over there. Would you like to talk to him?
Did I not just fucking say yeah? Am I retarded? Am I fucking stuttering?
He'll talk with you on the sidewalk.
Why the fuck do I need to get on a sidewalk? I will pull the fuck over there then!
He was like, whichever officer pulled away without their
He'll talk to you on the sidewalk. He's not going to talk to you.
So I need to pull the fuck over there because he's that fucking fat and lazy.
Well, if you would like to have a conversation, you can attempt it.
I would just say, yeah. I don't know. I think I would have just entertained that situation. Be like, yeah, he is. Sorry, we really don't have enough fit cops around here, madam. Jesus.
Come on, you fucking turn signal when you're fucking leaving, huh?
When did I use my signal?
When you were leaving, you didn't use it, and then you saw me following you, and then you thought to start fucking using it. You know you didn't use it.
When I exited from.
Yeah.
Can you let me finish so I can answer your question or no?
Go ahead.
I used my signal.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
I'm sorry you think that way, but I did.
Literally, you and your fucking butt buddy did it. Both of you fucking did it.
You can believe that, but I know I did. I used to make my right
Jesus.
hand turn, and then my left hand turn, and then my right hand turn, and then my left hand turn.
Oh my fucking god!
I did it.
No, you didn't.
Jayla, would you like to file a complaint?
Yeah.
Then you can head to the lobby and we have the paperwork for you. Yeah. Okay, hands behind you.
Oh.
Yeah, watch out! It's broken.
Hands behind your back.
Broken. Ow!
All right, just.
It's touching my broken hand.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
You're touching my broken hand. I will fucking kill you.
Watch your mouth. She's sweaty.
You're touching my fucking head!
Get it in.
Get off of me! No! This little
Stay on your side. Just stay on your side.
I can really see why you're all fucking white.
Would you like to sit up? Would you like to sit up?
I want to sit up.
Okay, this is what you're gonna do. Bring your knees up.
I cannot breathe.
Bring your knees up. And you can sit up. But if you fight or resist here, you're gonna have to go back right there. Just sit. Just stand like that.
Off is broken. I'm not doing shit with that hand. Who the fuck touched my car?
Dang.
What fucking ambulance? I'm not getting in a fucking ambulance. No, you're gonna repo my fucking car!
No.
I want my car! You fucking fuck! Give me my car! Give me my car!
Parked.
You're gonna fucking repo it!
No, I'm not. Just to the curb spine. We'll carry her.
No, give me my car!
Get in here. Each grab a leg. All right. One. Get on. Grab a leg. No. What? No.
Give me my fucking car!
Oh my god. She kicked him.
Go. Deep.
She kicked him really good.
What happens when you touch my shit?
Hold it down. Whichever.
Give me my phone! Give me my phone!
No way there's an actual fear. No way. What? Fear of being away from a mobile phone. This is a fear? Really? Guys, I could be without a phone for at least 6 months and I wouldn't have a problem with it. You know, the best way to do it is by reading books, by trying to find other hobbies that we can replace a phone. That's all you need to do, and that's crazy. I did not know that there was a fear of being away from a mobile phone. Now, maybe you need it on your way to work, or you know, you go outside, sure, but that's so crazy. You know what I call my phone? A literal computer. You could do everything with it. So.
Give me my phone!
Let go. You okay?
Hey, you stupid shit! You f***ing retarded? What the f*** am I gonna move? Give me my phone! Bro, what the f***? Give me my phone, bro!
All right. Do we have individual? I'll do it. Let's start with the knife.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Here we go.
What the f***, bro? Give me my phone! Give me my fucking phone! Give me
Oh, she spat on him.
Yeah, where's the spit hood?
Spit Max.
You don't carry a spit hood? Anybody got a spit hood? Yep, check it on Adam's face.
Don't touch my face! Don't touch my face! Don't touch my face!
Yes. All right, lean forward.
I want my phone! Give me my phone! I want my phone! Oh, don't touch my face! Don't touch my face, please! Please don't touch me!
You shouldn't have spat on that officer. Now they're gonna just cover your mouth until they can get a spit mask over your face. You know, they prevent you from biting and spitting. It's so crazy.
You want to sit up? I can't sit up. I want to sit up. Please sit up. Secure. Sit up. Until I can run it.
I'm broken!
Just attach it to the.
Stop touching me!
Jesus. I need to lock them.
Where the f*** is my phone? You don't get to just hold my phone from me. That's what the f*** happens when you touch my ass, you dirty hoe.
When do I get my phone back? When? Oh, what f***ing time is it? My animals need medicine!
Jesus.
I want my f***ing phone!
So we got spit on.
No wonder they call the ambulance. They're not
Oh,
taking her to jail. They're taking her straight to them.
She says,
They're literally taking her straight to have a mental evaluation to see if she's fit. That's so crazy.
"You want to stab somebody?"
Wait, hold on. Is able to move toward a more stable, crime-free futures. We sincerely wish her the best. She works to rebuild her life. I hope she rebuilds her life.
Run me over.
That's
Run them over. Okay.
it's insane. I mean, I don't know how you get mad over this, but that's insane. Oh my god.
When the f*** do I get my phone?
Her phone's on the red thing.
Your personal possessions will be given to you at the hospital, okay?
No, I want my phone now!
At the hospital.
Someone taking my car to the hospital!
You go in with me. All right, cool.
A few months after this incident,
Nope.
the woman was arrested again. Caught in another wild confrontation you'll want to see. As for this case, she was charged with 3 counts of aggravated battery on a peace officer, disorderly conduct, and filing a false 911 report. She was adjudicated guilty of filing the false report, while the other charges were dropped. She was sentenced to 90 days in jail, but she had already served 141, so no additional time was required. She also received 24 months of probation with conditions including random drug testing, community service, and a curfew. On top of that, she was ordered to pay more than $3,000 in fines and fees.
Yes, that's
Taking my car to the hospital!
Wow.
I think we told it.
Don't miss the sequel to this video, or watch another exciting episode of Cop.
Now that's crazy, y'all. I can't believe that. That's insane. So yeah, so if you want to see this, yeah, most definitely. That is so crazy. I mean, if I'm being honest, I already seen her, like I've already seen this woman that crashed out. It's crazy, but I mean, yeah, it is. It really is. Don't do this. Obviously, you want to be calm and collective. Don't crash out like her. Just be chill. That's all I gotta say. Said, yeah, I've seen this before, but I love seeing it again. Oh, this is a year ago. That's crazy. So yeah. So see you guys in the next video. All right. Peace.